Hola a todos, Drago al habla y estamos en Tenerife. Se nota bastante que estamos en Tenerife. Y bueno, voy a hacer una pequeña introducción en español porque hoy toca el vídeo en inglés. Hoy finalmente vamos a enseñar un poco de Tenerife, ya que tenemos la moto montada, tenemos todo hecho. So, gente hispanohablante, me tenéis que perdonar porque hoy toca un poco en inglés. Nos vemos, que voy a explicar ahora todo lo que haremos. Okay, so here we are. Hello everyone. Oh, Salgato. Hello everyone. Drago speaking. No, I don't like it in English. Sorry. It's better in Spanish. Hola a todos, Drago al habla, and here we are finally in a video showing Tenerife. I mean, not Tenerife, but like a bit part of Tenerife in English. Like you, all my friends that I met in the travel can finally see it. So basically, what is the plan today? What are we gonna do? Fadru needs to go to Puerto La Cruz. Okay, so basically that is the island Loki. We are here and he needs to come here. So we are gonna do all that part inside and we are gonna get there. So I'm gonna meet Fabrizio, the scooter master, and nothing. And I'm gonna also explain you a bit of the island, explain you where we are, but basically that is finally a video so that you can see the island, like all the nice things that I told you about it. You are going to check it. So guys, I hope you will like the first English video of the channel. It's gonna be kinda weird because normally when I do videos I do them in Spanish. Like English for me is not problem speaking or talking. I mean, yeah, kinda easy. So I hope you are ready. We're gonna wait for Fabio and let's go. See ya there basically. Okay, so there he is. That's Fabrizio. You finally meet him. And I don't know where he's going to go, basically. Like, we are gonna do the most mountain route, you know, like we try to go as high as we can, always. And yeah, nothing. I think that will be like the most panoramical shit and all that we can see. So yeah, the introduction is over. Everything should be working fine. Fabrizio changed some shit in the camera, changed some shit in the microphone, in the helmet. So now should be everything better, actually. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will like Tenerife more than what I do, because you know, I'm not, what the fuck is going? I'm not really a fan of this island, but geographically it's amazing. So that is. Anyway, see ya when we have something nice to see, because now it's gonna be a bit of a highway and it's gonna be kinda annoying. So yeah, see ya later. I don't know why he made us do all that, but it's okay. If he's happy, we're happy. Okay, so we are basically doing today the west side of the island, okay? Like, that is the west side highway, if you wanna call it somehow, basically. And normally, there's an island, normally, okay? Do you see all the mist that is in the air? Okay, it's not mist, it's Califa. It's that sand that it came from Africa. So yeah, very annoying. I'm very allergic to it. I'm fucking sick, I'm not gonna lie. But here we are. Doing some motorbiking finally. Curva ya, perdona. I miss it so hard. And yeah, I'm actually dressed like
will see. Because, come on, we are turning the island, you know. We are not even turning the island. Like, should be an easy ride. So yeah. I wanted to explain you something else about the Karima, but let's wait a bit more. I think when we are higher, we are gonna see it better. But yeah, that's basically the west side of the island. It's very rocky, it's very desert as you can see. There's no clouds, only the fucking Karima. Maybe in the north side, nah, I don't think it will be cloudy today. I think today will be full sun. But yeah, when we're gonna get a bit higher, you're gonna see the effects of the Karima. I don't know if you see it up there. There's the moon in a beautiful blue sky. Now that we are getting higher and higher, the Kalima is getting low because it's like thickens on the sea level. We're gonna say like that. So every time that we go higher, it's gonna be everything prettier because there will be less and less Kalima. And there should be the island that we were seeing before, but there's no island. The Chinese take it away, boys. I'm sorry. And Lucas, by the way, I know you're probably watching that. Do you see how many fucking mountains do we have? Like, it's everything a fucking mountain, this island. Literally. So, yeah. I think today you're gonna enjoy. Trust me. You can see also how we are gonna getting higher and higher because the vegetation, the trees, all that are changing. And now they changed also that. So let's just gonna follow Fabri and Kiji. And soon, I don't know if we are ready, but soon we are gonna be on 1,000-meter high. So not bad. I think it's already. But I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, now it's gonna start a bit more of a nice road, basically. So yeah, I'll wait, I don't know what.
Changing time. We're gonna getting higher, so we're gonna put the wheat hoodie. See? Perfect. We look like we are not going to get higher, we look like we are going to get high in the mountain.
Okay. I think that sheet is recording. Wait, let me check. Yep. No, it's not recording. Yeah, it's recording. Okay. So, do you see that there is like two peaks? I mean, there's more than two peaks, but it's like two very spiky peaks. Okay. The one that is there, just behind the tree, that's our Teide. That's our Teide, and that's our volcano, basically. And now, as soon as we can, we are gonna do that. And we're gonna try to overtake the bus, so like that we can do a bit of tours, because if not, fucking coñazo. I'm not gonna lie. That in Spanish that means that it's so fucking annoying. So yeah, there we have Fabrizio. He will show you how to overtake. I don't like to overtake when I don't see. So yeah, and here at the left, there, sometimes, very sometimes, but like almost never, there is a small waterfall, very very small waterfall. There or here? No, there, in the other side, yes. It's like very 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 small waterfall, but hey, there's some river at least. Because here in Tenerife, guys, we don't have fucking rivers. I mean, in Canarias, I don't think there is an island with a river, so yeah. Sad, because you know how I like water basically. Looks so pretty, right? And today is sad day because we have the Kalima. If not, wow, would be fucking amazing. But yeah. Okay, we're gonna keep going. You're gonna see more beautiful shit. Remember that here we are in the desert, okay? Like a rocky desert. But soon we're gonna be in the middle of the fucking forest. Remember about that, okay? Okay, so we are now basically on that corner of the island, okay? I cannot do the full triangle, but if you remember the triangle, okay? We are now going to that side, okay? Like turning the corner basically. And we are at 1,117 meters. I mean, now probably going down. And you will see very 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 soon how all the vegetation and all that is gonna start to change, because we are changing the vertiente, in Spanish it's called, of the island, basically the side of the island. Now we are gonna we are entering in the north side, okay? We live in the southwest basically. We did all the west side, and now we are entering on the fucking north side. And trust me guys, that is the prettiest side. I don't know how it's been those 3 months. I don't know if it rained a lot. I don't know what. But Drago, what you mean raining a lot if in Tenerife never rains? Well, on the north side, yes it does. And it does it kinda often also. So if for some reason it has rain, we are gonna see very 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 pretty shit. And if not, no, curva, Yebana, ya pierdo the fucking bus with us. I mean, we are on Monday. What do you expect? Okay, no boost, no bullshit. Now we can go do some fucking motorbike. Look how much he fucking goes with a fucking scooter. Can you tell me I'm crazy? No. By the way, all that's ocean. That's pure fucking ocean, boy. But yeah, I'll see you a bit later, okay? Because that is just a bit of a road, but nothing special. See you later, because you see right how it's changing everything, how it's getting everything more green. Well, give us a couple of minutes and you'll see how everything changes. Okay, so here we are. We are entering basically the forest. See? Suddenly, it doesn't fucking look like we are in Tenerife, eh? How this island changes is so fucking great. We are gonna see way more fucking changes. But today is gonna be a chill day. One day we need to do like a lot more. I miss fucking recording and go on moto, It's the first time I go moto like cruising, you know, like do some tour, because if not I just use moto to go it with my grandfather and all that shit basically. But yeah, it's actually the first day of riding a little motorcycle. I miss traveling so much, guys. I miss the thing of like keep moving every day and fuck. I miss it a lot. I miss it a lot. By the way, do you see all that, all those stones, all those rocks? Basically, they are not rocks, they are lava. They are lava from the volcano, because there is the volcano, and all that is dried lava. So yeah, it's very nice. It's called Malpais, like bad country basically. What you do? Okay. And here now we are going in like a kind of like protected place, because we are entering on the forest. So very nice. I mean, you can see how much it's changing. And I want to check, and I want you to see something. And there's basically a tree that is broke by a fucking thunder. Look, it's opened by a thunder. Crazy. Also the air is so nicer here. La Montañeta. Beautiful place. Very green place. Very fresh place. A lot of walking sites here, by the way. Like if you like trekking or something, that is a very nice place for you. I'm not used to drive with someone though. Nothing. Look at that. And later we are gonna have some pretty nice views. So I'm gonna stop recording here for a second, because I know I have like 16 minutes of recording, and I think like 40 minutes of battery maybe. So yeah, see you later, alligator. Thick the fucking forest, It's not a fucking joke. Oh, here is very dangerous. And I think now, no, not yet. Look all the trash, how people destroy everything, for real. Now there are the nice views, if I remember good. No, not yet, it wasn't that long, the road. Damn. And now there's a bit. La Vega. No, me falta. Now, finally. I'm gonna check the views here. Oh, it's a bit more. Oh, here we go. Look at that though. But that is the north side. There's a lot of Kalima, and that's so fucking shitty because we are not seeing anything basically. But it's pretty amazing. Next day that I'm for sure know that there's no Kalima and it's not raining also. We are gonna come back here, like not in the same place but in that side, and we're gonna go in a road that is even higher I think, so like that you can check a bit more the island. Now I don't remember where we need to go. I think to the right side. So I'll see you there, boys. Like I see you there because here there's nothing else to see, basically. Like there's a church here on the left, but yeah, even Fabri was like, ha, church. But yeah, nothing else out of Kalima. See you later, guys. Look at that. Pretty, yeah? Do you see the big mountain that we have in front? That's not a mountain, that's a volcano, that's the Teide. And look all that. Fucking amazing, right? Beautiful. And we are getting so high here. I don't know how much, but 2005 probably. We are cruising the Camino. And you see how all the vegetation and everything changed? We are more in like the country. Pretty, yeah? So fucking different Tenerife. Like, and now where, eh? Well, I guess we keep going. Let's see where Fabrizio takes us. Oof. You sure, Fabri? Police? I mean, it's not police, it's like medioambiental. How? There you go. People who care about the fuck, I don't have the name now. You all know what. Oh, you all knew what I mean. You all know what I meant. Fuck. English though. I came back here and the only thing I'm speaking is fucking Canario. Even to the English people, it's like, ya, yo loco, me hablabas en Canario. But yeah, where the fuck are we going? Because we are coming back. The street also is so fucking shitty. And the road, not the street. Well, let's keep going. Damn. Steep as fuck, eh? But yeah, we see when we get somewhere, okay? Because that's kind of boring road to record. So see you later. Let's see what we find. Let's see. We went up. There was like a school, there was 2 houses, a woman, a dog, and Dore. And that's it basically. And we are back again. Okay. A new place that I didn't know existed on Tenerife. Las Abiertas. That will translate to the opener. Okay. I wanted to see if we can see a bit more of the... There we go. There you go. That's what I wanted to check. Fucking Kalima, but you can see it nice. I mean, you can see something. Oh, nice. I don't see him very secure where he need to go. Okay. We are back. You're recording, right, camera? I hope you are fucking recording, please. Damn. I mean, Tenerife is pretty. The problem is the government, and there's too much people. And also all the tourist people treat it very, very badly, so yeah. They are slowly, no? They are destroying the island. What the fuck? Slowly. In 10 years this island like changed so fucking much. Like in 10 years it doesn't even look like the same island. In 3 months that I was fucking away it didn't look like the same island. Like come on, bro. For real. Also here very sad that there's all the Kalima because very nice view. But we can barely see the tail at all. You saw how different the Kalima here. Where we are is more in the sea level, here is more on the high level. Crazy. The big road that you see there, that is low-key a highway, because on the north side there's not highway. Like we don't have highway here. So yeah. It's a low-key highway. A low way. And then here we are, the Amparo. Another pretty place, but a lot of people. A lot of people. I don't know if we're gonna get to Ico d'Alto. That's a very nice place also. I'm following that man, so you're gonna follow with him. You are gonna follow him with me. Okay? Come, let's go. I think here there's another view, maybe. No. Just people stop because they can stop. So in the end we are gonna need to use the GPS because we know where to go, but we are gonna try to look for what? What? For new roads, basically. And I think we found one. I don't know. Let's see. Ah, no, okay. I know where we are. And now we need to go here. That way. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. So now basically we are in the middle of the forest again. Like the fuck. The roads are motherfuckers, eh? Janito Pereira. Now we need to go up. It's gonna continue.